Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube Forex analysis. So it's been a while I've made the video, so I'm back again to the channel. So for the upcoming week, I'll be analyzing for Euro USD, GBP CAD, GBP JPY, and potentially for USD CHF. So I'm going to start with USD CAD. So no, Euro USD, sorry. So I'll be starting on the weekly. So if you watch closely on the weekly, you could see that price bounced off this resistance level that was used as support over here at price 1.02605. So price had a resistance level here, then which was a formal resistance. Then price came back, as you can see here, and we are having this bullish engulfing candle closing on the weekly. So this signifies something is about to change. I think there's going to be a change in the trend. So let's go to the daily and see. So on the daily, I am seeing a change of trend. So first, let me go with the trend line. If you see the trend line, you see price broke out from the trend line aggressively. Then then again price used this as a support level, bounced off it, then thereby closing above again. So now what I'll be waiting for is price to pull back, retest this structure, this resistance, then support here. If you check backwards, you see it was a major support over here also. So what I'm waiting for prices to is to retrace back, retest this zone to push to the upside. Then if I'm able to get in on this trade, my first target is going to be here, this swing point where price returned the last time. Then second target overall is going to be this zone over here. That is for Euro USD. It's very easy. Wait for a pullback, you wait for your entry signal, entry pattern to take the trade to the upside. That is for Euro USD. So let's go to the other pair, which is going to be GBP CAD. So GBP CAD is pretty simple and nice. The first trade I took here was a very nice one. As you can see, we had the market printing left head and the right shoulder, then on the breakout, then on the retest I took a sell. If you want to see, let me show you how it looks. So this was the sell I took. I saw price dancing on this zone, so I waited for break and retest, then entry. That was how I caught that trade. So now this week, last week I waited for, we had this breakout, then I waited for the retest to continue the sell market. But as you can see the price went so much deep into the zone. So my bias is still to sell the market, not until we body close above this level. So what I've still been waiting for is a close below the structure, then a retest to sell GBP CAD. That is what I'll be waiting for. So if that doesn't happen, which is going to be like, okay, we close above, wait for the daily candle to close above, then retest to buy the market. So that is what. Then talking of the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is bearish. As you can see, this was the last high that was made. Then the market came and gave a new high. Then this was the last low here. So the market broke through it. So Now I don't know if the market is trying to come and retest the area of interest for the weekly, but that's for that. I entered, we'll take the trade on the lower time frame. So the weekly doesn't really matter. I just want to know the structure, the direction of the weekly. Then we'll go down to lower time frame like daily and the 1 hours to look for our entries. So if you go to the 1 hour here, I would love to see something like this happen, break, then a retest to sell. This is what I would love to see on the GBP card. That is for GBP card. Looking for potential sales on GBP card. But if price close above here, body close above here on the daily, then we'll wait for retest for a buy continuation. So let's go to the next one, which is GBP JPY. So what I was expecting for GBP JPY was equally to short, which was here. So price came all the way to the zone, faked out, did a whole lot of shit, then all of a sudden you see the price move to the upside. Now what I am waiting for is a pullback, then to continue to head to the upside. So if again, because what I'm seeing something that looks like a head and shoulder here, which is this. It looks so much like a reversal pattern here. This is the breakout. So I strongly believe price is going to like sell from here. So on the 1 hour time frame, if I'm able to see a reversal pattern, like see price do something like this, a reversal pattern, I'm going to sell back down to this zone before the buy will continue, if the lower time frame gives that confirmation. So for GBP JPY, it's I'm going to actually wait for price to develop itself. So let's go to USDCHF. USDCHF is quite funny, I won't lie. I thought on Friday this price was actually going to close below, which will give me the confirmation to like sell to this zone the following week. But price actually closed above the area of interest again. So what I'll be waiting for, I'll be neutral on this pair. I'll have to wait for a daily candlestick to like body close like this, coming like a body candlestick to close like this. Like once a daily candle closes like this, then I'll wait for a pullback to sell, to continue to sell the market to the downside. So this one is pretty easy. So on the 1 hour, I think it's going to look like this because I already have everything drafted. So I think it's going to break, retest, and sell. So this is what I'll be waiting for USDCHF. But if it does otherwise, loss will avoid the loss. So the daily has to close below, retest, then sell. That is it. Then again, what do we have? Okay, those are the pairs I have for this week. Guys, make sure you subscribe and drop your comments. What do you think about this analysis? Peace. See you next time.